Hey everyone, for this video I'll be showing you how to pull in amazing high-resolution images onto your website, all from within DecoNetwork. First thing, navigate over to the website admin page from within your DecoNetwork account. Go ahead and click Edit Website, then click Website Pages. You should now be in your Website Pages editor. Scroll to the section of the website where you would like to insert an image. Then, with your mouse, hover over that area and a green menu box will appear. Click the menu box, then from the drop-down menu, click Background Image. Okay, so from the search box, type in what you're looking for and press Enter. DecoNetwork has built an integration with Flickr and Unsplash, which means you can use as many images as you need, all at no additional cost to you. I'm doing a search for the word shirts, and as you can see, I have over 100 pages worth of images relating to that word. Explore your own results, and once you find an image you would like to move forward with, click on that image and then click OK. Perfect. The image has now been swapped in for you. Okay, let's insert another image, this time towards the bottom of the website. Once again, from the menu pop-up, click over to Search the Web. This time, I'll search using the keyword friends. This time, I have a different set of images. Really liking this fourth one listed, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. Same as before, click OK to swap in the image. Finally, click Save and then Preview to take a look at the changes you've made to your website. As you can see, you've just added amazing high-res images to your website with just a few clicks of the mouse, and all at no additional cost. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Not a DecoNetwork subscriber yet? Book a free tour and we'll guide you through the ins and outs of streamlining your entire business into one system with DecoNetwork. Book your free tour today from the link in the description.